Hello, everybody. This is Francisco Martinez for MDF2, and this is week two's project where we're supposed to make a uh, Twitter application that shows our current Twitter followers. Um, After some painstaking hours, I was finally able to get this done. I had a lot of issues. It was a lot of trial and error, primarily trying to figure out um, where to put certain parts of my code. Um, like my code almost looks like a mess to me. I don't really like how it looks right now, but it's there. It's all there, so it should be working fine right now. Um, I had to do a lot of research to find out what was missing, how to do certain things. Um, Sometimes I had to place one thing with another thing. It was just a total mess at first, and nothing was running. The application would run, but nothing was happening. So it took a lot of trial and error to make sure that everything was running fine. So let me just let you know, like, you click on somebody, as you can see, the image does show up. Um, you can press the back button, and it goes back. I wanted to make sure I at least show it like this before I actually show you the errors, the error messages, because it does take some time to actually load up for some reason. I don't know why. Um, so I'm gonna stop it real quick. Going to head over to this. My biggest issue right now with the actual application though is I'm missing another error message for some reason. I don't know why it's not turning on, but when it does, when I have it on, when it actually turns on, when I actually set up the app, um, it doesn't seem to want to show the Wi-Fi error. I think it only shows the that I'm not connected to Twitter error. Like this shows up. So um, usually if I'm not connected to the internet, that would show up first. But for some reason, it's not showing up. This is how I have it set up. I might again. This was a lot of trial and error for me. So I was trying to figure out how to make it work. At the moment, if I was to do it, if I was trying to fix it now, it would just be really tough to do it because I'm already running out of time. And despite the fact that I have it running already, it would take a lot more trial and error to try and figure it out, and that's just time that I don't have. I'm gonna just stop it again real quick. Uh, so if I turn on the Wi-Fi this time and just release the app again, all that will show up, but I think the same message from before will show up that I'm not connected to Twitter. Um, See? So it's not the Wi-Fi. It's like I said, it's not the Wi-Fi error message. It's just the same Twitter error message that keeps showing up. Uh, but either way, once I actually get everything else going, like turning on the actual app to make sure that Twitter runs on it, um, it seems to work fine. Like I said, it takes a while to actually load up for some reason. I don't know why, but it does show up, as you can see, and I could choose somebody, and their name and their picture shows up. So I would say this is definitely a plus compared to last month where I didn't get any of the images going. But yeah, I had all of the errors and all of the all the errors, and even this worked fine. But none of the pictures would show up for some reason, and it was really tough. But yeah, other than that, it seems like everything works the way it is. I'm hoping that I'm not missing anything. It looks like I'm not. Like I guess the only problem is the error message for the Wi-Fi. But other than that, uh, yeah. Hopefully this is good enough. Um, so yeah, I hope you guys were able to get your projects completed with no problem. This was definitely a tough week. I'm looking forward to next week, even though I know it's just as tough. But at least I'll be able to figure out exactly what I did wrong from the last time I took this class. So yeah, I was able to learn something from here. So now, I could keep on pushing. So yeah, I wish you guys luck and you have a good night.